Sakit.
Basta
Grabe yun. Grabe yung, ano yun? Crossbow?
Yeah.
Tanga na.
Change ako ng collision resistance.
DPS, get her DPS.
Yung
Balik
target
na ba
mo.
yan? Masakit
Guys,
Tangki yan.
I want you to auto-focus
Yung plus
DPS
12 ko, wala pa ng plus 12 ulit.
Leave their tanks.
Puro tangking
And if you can coordinate your
Tangki na, puro
bombs
tangke naman
for
to
the
eh.
healers.
Gago.
Hey, are you going for it? Where are you?
Wala. Target si ano.
Okay,
Si
okay.
Chris.
Yeah. I'm going to their back line.
Get Taz.
Nice.
Nice one.
Isa pa. Stun.
No, no.
Mahina na naman ako.
I tried.
Tangina.
Wala naman akong ginagawa sa inyo eh.
North. There's a big
Kaya nga,
clump on north.
patay
Big
ako, ah.
clump on north. I want nukes on north. Nuke AoEs, AoE stuns,
Tatanggalin ko
spins,
yung...
bombers.
Buhay ako doon.
Pick your
Araw.
targets, guys.
Grabe.
If you see low health,
Oh,
if you see
shit,
low health,
Valorant.
kill them.
Weakness ba ng ano? Core spinners ka ano? Collision?
Lalagay.
DPS, guys, DPS. Magic users, get their spell blades.
Kasi pagka mataas yung collision resistant mo, pwede ka makapag-cube lang.
Yeah,
Cap the moon.
Yeah.
If you die, go to 3. I'm down. Control the center, guys. Control the center.
Jesus,
guys.
ayun patay.
Control the center.
Ito si
Ano?
June. Nice,
Control the center.
Trickster!
Nice!
Kita ko yung sigit
Always-
mo. Ito pa, si
Always
88.
reserve
Wala
your
kang
AoE,
cooldown?
your AoE stuns, guys.
Cooldown
AoE
ako,
stuns.
cooldown.
If you see a clump, AoE stun coordinate
where is
with
it?
your team.
Di ko nakikita yung target mo.
Nag-ano siya,
Same.
nag-injury.
Kurt. You have to
Ayos tayo
spawn
dito.
a full
Support.
push.
Shit.
Alright,
Puro collision dito.
we're at the low. Alright, everybody focus on boon fight. Focus on boon fight. Boon fight right now. Boon fight. Cap the boon.
Same.
Top the bun daw.
Cap the boon.
8-8 ba?
Spin
8-8?
and star.
Or-
Spin and star. Spin on me. Yeah.
Balik ka na. Alam,
Ayaw.
Kivi, nandito ka na.
Nandito.
Okay.
Nasa hagdan ako.
Go by the moon, guys.
Hindi ako masyado lumalapit sa, sa boon nag-ano. Kasi naghihil lang ako galing dito sa hagdan. Squatter healing na puta. Nandun sa bundok. Hihila ako lagi. Naka-ano ata ako.
Look for the
Naka-feed
spell
ata
blades,
ako.
guys. Spell blades are doing damage. Look for the spell blades. And kill him.
Ay, mas madali
Alright,
mag-heal
they're
galing sa
coming
bundok.
from 3. They're coming from 3. They're coming
Ito,
from 3.
Ayun na, nahila na ako. Ayan na.
Focus 3.
Yan.
Everybody focus on 3. Push
Stand
3.
pa.
Push 3. Everybody push 3. Push 3 right now.
Push 3 daw.
Push 3. Towards me.
Where is 3?
Towards portal.
Push.
Yeah,
Bro,
I
ano?
can.
Towards 3
Push
portal.
towards portal 1. Push towards
Portal
portal 1. AoE stun.
Ayaw
AoE
ko muna ng
Sasuke.
pull si
Pull the
Sasuke.
last.
Yan. Yan, may pull ka
Gotta
dyan.
spin.
Si Jaskin. Nice, Jaskin. Oh! Ganda ng pull ng Jaskin.
Now, everybody back to boon.
Biya
Back to
mo
boon.
kami
Boon
ng
fight,
world
boon
boss.
fight, boon fight,
Ano mo?
boon fight.
Kunat.
Someone's capping. Cancel the cap.
Oh my god, hila na naman ako. Ayoko na.
Boon fight. Focus boon fight.
Ay, patay
Yun,
tayo.
lumabot.
sa spin. Takong Valorant.
Boon fight. Arat. Cancel Arat. Very good.
Arat.
AoE's on the boon.
No,
AoE's on
Arat.
the boon right now. All AoE's on the boon. AoE's on the boon right now. AoE's on the boon right now.
You know?
Big pull from Zaskin. I'm dying. Thank you. Cancel.
Ayun.
Budacious.
Sige lang.
BRB. Yun, alternate. Yan, naging alternating ah.
Boon, focus on the boon fight. I want you to pick targets, please. Pick targets.
Kung si Pata dito.
Hindi pa nakakarating si Di Patay na.
Pick targets. Budacious. 36 seconds, guys.
pa
We have
lang
to hold this.
ako.
We have to hold this. We have to hold this. Alright, they're coming from Portal 1 again.
Coming for Portal 1 ha.
Push, 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 push. Push, push,
Ano ba yung
push. I
settings
want all
sabi ni
flanks,
Jay?
all
Para di
flanks
makita yung
on
mga pangalan.
Portal 1,
Tangina.
towards Portal 1. Potter is the spinner, guys. Potter is their spinner.
Combat
Face towards Portal 1. Face towards Portal 1. Everybody,
15
everybody.
seconds for me.
Face towards Portal 1.
Yung sa ano, yung sa...
Come on, they're planning on the
character.
regroup right now, guys. They're
Yeah.
planning on the regroup. Come on, disrupt the regroup.
Disrupt the regroup?
Strap the
Come on,
regroup
come on, come
ka.
on.
Saan si Zasky?
Push, 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 push through.
Coming.
Our bombers are pushing in. Our bombers are pushing in. Death from above, death from above. AoE stuns, AoE stuns, AoE stuns. Come on, everybody, go to the back line, back line, back line. I'm here at the back line.
Ay, si
Go to
Zasky.
the back line.
Yeah.
Sige lang.
Nice one, nice one.
Uy, sakit! Hello?
AoEs on me, AoEs on me.
Bitch. Ang ina mo ka ha. Hindi na nagaling spin sa akin, gago. Ang ina mo.
It's all DPS on the back.
Hindi
It's
na
all
uso
DPS on the back.
spin nyo, tang
They're
ina
camping
nyo.
right now. Go back, cancel the cap,
Nagago,
cancel the cap.
naka-permastan na ako, ano na?
Cancel the cap, cancel the cap. Alright, everybody back on Boon. Back on Boon.
Bakon bun daw ah.
Bakit? Okay.
Teka lang. Oh my god.
Back on Boon. Audacious
Permastan
cancel,
na,
cancel
what
cap,
the
cancel
fuck?
cap, cancel cap. Cancel cap.
Si Sasuke naka-curse. Ayun na wala.
Alright,
Okay lang.
Yung wala.
1,000
Boon stone. Boon, focus on Boon.
Hindi dapat natanggal ko.
AoEs on the Boon, AoEs on the Boon, guys. AoEs on the Boon, AoEs on the
Ah,
Boon. There's a lot of people on the Boon.
7 seconds.
AoEs on the Boon, AoEs on the Boon.
Sinisisi na
You're
nila
right,
ako.
spin.
Alright,
Ayaw na
wipe-
nila akong
wipe
patalunin.
everything on the Boon. Wipe everything on the Boon. Start with the DPS first. DPS.
Nice one!
Ay, hindi pala
Saan ka?
pwede kasi alay. Ano ba to? Alay ba to? Hindi. Hindi.
Focus on the Boon. Control the Boon.
Coming back.
Backline na.
For our controllers, can you
Backline?
call your pools, guys, so that our DPS can follow through?
Guguluhin ko lang.
Alright, they're coming from one again.
They're coming from 1
They're
ha.
coming from one
Oh,
again.
si Sasuke.
Everybody, face one.
Balls
Phase one.
deep yan
Everybody,
sa akin. Balls deep eh.
Ang
Puro
ina.
ko na lang ina sa paligid.
Oh, buti nga umaabot yung ano ko dyan eh.
Phase
Yung
one.
bless ko eh.
Napaisip ako, pupunta ba ako dun?
Phase one.
Huwag na, dito ka na
Alright,
lang.
Don't push through. Don't go deep. Don't go deep.
Ayaw na nilang pumasok.
Gago.
What is the Lord saying? Don't go deep.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh, basta equal number eh. Tang ina, may laban tayo eh. Wala eh.
Sabi, what are you guys
Not
doing?
yet.
Pinasok
When
ko
they
eh.
move close to the team, that's when,
Ano daw ginagawa eh.
Gusto ko nag-atrasan sila eh.
Alright. When they push, I want.
Natakot kay Zasky.
Alright, get ready.
Mag-isa lang siya
I want
pumunta.
to see death from above.
Kasi
Ayun na sila. Teka.
Zasky.
Bebless ko si Sasuke.
Mura si
So
Zasky.
Zaskin is
No
jumping.
ID, no entry eh.
Go.
Eh,
Bombers in right now. AoEs, I want nuke. Come on. AoEs,
Ayun na.
backline.
Ayun na, na-permas
Backline,
na naman ako.
Backline.
Anak ng Shoke.
Backline, go to the backline.
Gago, hindi kita mahabol.
Oo nga.
Go to the
Spotters
backline.
Ayun, nahabol si
Go back to the
Sixter.
boon now. They're moving towards the boon. Everybody to the boon. Boon fight. Stay smart, stay alive. Bodacious, cancel Bodacious. Cancel. Everybody go back, get back to the boon. Right away. AoE's on the boon right now. Soti, cancel the cap. Guys, I want you to watch the boon. Watch the boon. Alright, we're gonna get spin on the boon in 3, 2, 1.
on the boon.
Alright, AoE's on the boon right now.
Hilahin ko lang sa boon.
AoE's on the boon.
Sige.
AoE's on the boon.
Patay pa.
Pakitanggal nga yung ano ni Trickster.
Cancel the cap. Sote.
Yung-
Cancel the cap.
Teka.
Ay, natanggal
Kaya,
na. Tanggal.
Wipe them out.
Sayang sabay.
Wipe them out right now. Wipe everybody.
Tatagaling ka. Di mo kasi
Yung brief.
Guys,
Ano ba? Anong
west of
puta?
the boon.
Tanggal yung
You're all behind
ayun, yung
me.
brief.
West of the boon,
kasi.
please. West of the boon. Cap. Protect the capper.
Sino ba nagkakap? O si
Capper,
DC
come on.
Leon?
On me, guys. On me.
Nice one.
On me.
Oh,
I'm the
somebody
only yellow
pulled
in the
that
middle. Come
club.
on.
Tama ko si Lutz.
What the fuck?
The recapping. The recapping. The
Galit na galit
recapping. The
sila sa akin.
recapping. Bodacious
Ano ba
cap.
ginagawa ko sa inyo? Nananahimik ako din sa gilid eh.
Ayun na, nagka-cut ulit.
Sentensahan
West
na
of the
ako.
boon, guys. West of the boon. They're all here. West of the boon.
Iba nga to. Ako lang ang pinupuntin
Alright,
niyo.
now they're.
Nananahimik
I'm
pa.
seeing a
Hihilang
class
ako
on
eh.
Portal 3. Cancel Bodacious. Cancel Bodacious. Cancel Bodacious. 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 Cancel. Cancel the cap. Cancel the cap. Recap again. Recap again. Recap again. Recap again. 3 seconds
Putik
before
ka dyan.
spin. 3 seconds
Oh,
before
shit.
spin, guys.
Tatanggal ko na yung brief
Boon,
ni
boon,
Trickster.
boon, boon,
Ito na
boon.
natanggal na.
Recap. I need someone to recap. 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 Oh, they just spun. They just spun. They just spun. They just spun.
Ngalay na ako,
Spinning on the
putang
boon. AoE's
ina.
on the boon, please. AoE's on the boon, please. AoE's on the boon.
I'm coming sa akin na.
AoE's on the boon. Guys, there's still a
Gusto
boon
niya ako
fight
sa
going on.
target,
There's
ah.
still a boon fight going on. AoE's on the boon. They're clumping on the boon, guys. They're clumping on the boon. Boon,
Saka
control the
tricks.
boon. Let's control the boon. Let's control the boon. Cancel their cap. Cancel their cap. Cancel their cap. Cancel their cap. Someone recap, please. Someone recap.
Ano kayo eh.
Someone recap. Target their DPS.
Uy!
Uy,
Target
ano
their
yun?
DPS. Target their DPS,
yun?
guys.
Ano yun? Baka yung time bomb build, boy.
Time bomb
Knock
yata.
na yun.
Gago time build,
Alright,
boy.
there's a big
Puta
clump by
ina.
the- big clump by the boon. Guys,
Ano sabi mo?
Next.
Ano ba yan? Parang
West side.
Pinakabago
Wala rin
ko eh.
naman.
Gago! Wala ako naiintindihan sa
Wala akong hindi pa.
Hitting over here.
Gago! Tayo bibibid!
West side, west side, west side. There's spell blades right here. There's spell blades right here.
Gago ka!
Kapag wala intense to, gago.
Gago malapitan si
West
Sas!
side, on west side, west side, west side, west side. West side. They're free hitting, guys. They're free
Gago
hitting.
ka! Sinis ga!
Alright, they're coming from one again. They're coming from one. Reform is coming on one again. They're down full HP.
Bakit nyo ba ako tinitira, putang ina nyo?
Visiting there!
Nanahimik kami dito. Yan ako.
Cancel the cap, cancel the cap, cancel the cap.
I can spin on the boon. Oh.
Sino mo ako na tinitira? Ayoko na. Hindi naman kita inaano dyan eh.
All their DPS are on me on the west side, right past the boon, guys. Right past the boon.
Teka, sorry.
If you want to kill them,
Ah,
come
ito
to
na.
me. Come
Medyo-
to me if you want to kill them.
Tayo
If
ka
you want
ng
to kill them,
swimming
come
pool.
to me.
I can spin.
Ito.
At!
Good spin, good spin.
North.
Naman sila.
There's a group on north. There's a group on north.
Just that.
Grabe, debuff na yun, di ah.
Wala na akong mana. My God.
Gatas ka muna, gatas ka muna. Lagyan mo ng gatas yung labi mo.
Nga ka muna, nga. Kaya saan ka ba?
Nasabit na ako.
Nangangalay na ang kapin doon.
5 seconds.
Ako din,
Okay,
itang
west side
ina.
of the boon.
Di pala maganda yung nabubuhay ka na
Okay,
matagal.
I'm ready.
Splatter this guy.
Bawal ako ng fire.
West side of the boon.
Ito na third.
Recap na. Tornado! Uy, dami pa rin lumilipad.
Guys,
What I
AoE's west side of the boon. I'm here. I'm jumping right here.
Tayo ba yan
Their
nagkakap
DPS
na yan?
are just standing right over
Hindi,
here.
hindi.
Hindi, nag-recap na para makancel.
Over here, where we are. West
Ano,
side,
nahilan
west
na
side
naman
of the
ako.
boon. By the... Alright, look on the floor. By the red die. By the red die. By the red die.
Red die.
Dito sa gitna.
Cancel.
Ah,
Audacious,
swimming
cancel
pool dyan.
Audacious. Get their DPS. Alright,
Ano ba? Ano ba
You
kita?
want to try
Ano
spinning
ang
on the
galawin?
stone instead? I feel like they're stacking up there way too much.
alright. By the blue die near portal 3. Portal
Ano?
3, guys. Near portal 3.
Near Portal 3 daw,
Near
dito.
portal 3.
Okay, I'm
right
Tama
there.
tayo, nandito tayo.
Let's go.
Mahiwagang tornado.
Spin on
Beg,
that.
beg, beg, beg. If you're
Nice,
going to
nice,
spin,
nice.
spin on a yellow die, yellow die, yellow die. Where I am right
did,
now.
I
Naman
did.
ako. Hindi naman kita inaano dyan.
Yellow die, yellow die, yellow die, yellow die. Spin on yellow dice.
Thank you. Grabe yung follow-up
Nice
yun.
one, nice one,
Maganda.
nice one.
Sarap. Para ako naligo sa heat.
Ang ina.
Alright.
Eight
Pati
All-
healer,
all
hinihil ko na.
attack, all
Tokin
attack.
mo yun, hindi kita kanina pa. Sampaling kita dyan. Pakyo ka. Kanina pa kita inilayop ka. Hindi tayo sasalita.
Pwede, thank you.
Dali lang pala eh.
Tama na, sana na.
By the boon, by the boon, by the boon, by the boon, by the boon.
TV build. Ang inang TV build eh.
Hindi mo nga kaya patahin.
Don't
Yan,
let them
tanga.
cap, don't let them cap. We have 40 seconds left. Everybody on the boon, everybody on the boon, on the boon, on the boon, on
Boon
the
daw,
boon, on
On
the
the
boon.
boon, on
Ang
the boon.
haba nung, di ba ang haba nung debuff
Cancel the
nila?
cap, cancel the cap, on the boon, on the boon. Recap,
Oh,
recap
check
right
naman
away, recap
tayo.
right away.
Stun
Recap
ako,
right
stun
away.
ako.
Everybody on the boon. I want everybody on the boon. All your skills on the boon right now. On the boon, on the boon, on the
Oh
boon.
my god.
13 seconds.
Nakailang kills ka
On the
na,
boon.
Trace.
Spin on the boon, spin
Ha?
on the boon.
8 pa lang?
All your AoEs
Ang
on the
ina,
boon.
daming
From
nag-
above, on the boon.
sa akin.
Everything
Daming
on the boon,
tangke.
guys.
Ay, ano kasi, ano. Dali ka
10
ng
seconds,
pulse
10
gas.
seconds, 10 seconds.
At
Okay, die.
yan. Uy, nakapatay po.
4 seconds, guys.
Thank you.
I can
4
spin.
seconds.
Medic, can I get the... Oh.
Good job,
Ah.
good job. GG.
Oh, GG na. Oo, mapapahabol pa ng kill. Ano na?
GG's, GG's. GG's on the
Asan yung score? Ay,
Huwag mo na akong tirahin. Pre.
Tapos na nga eh, natitira ka pa.
Ang inang yan. Hanggang bukas tayo dito, sabi ko sa'yo. Ang ina, parang isang beses lang ako namatay ah.